this video, I'll show you how to customize Slack notifications so you can avoid distractions while still catching the important updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Slack tips. First, open Slack on your desktop or mobile app and sign into your workspace. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. Inside Preferences, go to the Notifications tab. Here you will see several options. You can choose to be notified for all new messages or limit alerts to direct messages, mentions and keywords. If you need quiet time, you can even turn notifications off completely. Scroll further and you'll find mobile notification settings, so you can stay updated on the go without being overwhelmed on your desktop. You can also choose alerts for thread replies or when a huddle starts, keeping you in the loop for real-time conversations. One powerful feature here is My Keywords. Add words or phrases that matter to you, and Slack will only notify you when they're mentioned. Finally, set a notification schedule at the bottom of the menu. This lets you control the exact days and times you'll get alerts, so Slack fits into your work-life balance. That's it. With these settings, you will stay connected without unnecessary distractions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.